Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Toomics subscription or membership. Okay, so there are three methods by which you can cancel your subscription or membership. The first method like for Android users, and the second method by their official website, and the third method by using Android iOS devices. Okay, so basically it depends on where you have originally purchased. You can follow these steps and you can cancel your subscription. The first method, if you have purchased your subscription by using your Android device, first of all you need to open your Play Store, you need to tap on your profile, you need to select payment and subscription, and then you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your Toomics app, and then you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. If you have taken your Toomics subscription on their official website, so in that case you need to log in into your Toomics account, and once you logged in into your Toomics account, you need to click on bottom that three lines in the upper right corner of the screen, and you need to choose account settings in the menu that appear. Okay, and click on cancel VIP membership, and which is located at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and list the reason why you want to cancel your subscription or membership, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. And if you have taken your subscription on iPhone users or on Android iOS device, okay, so in that case you need to open your iPhone setting, you need to tap on your Apple ID, you need to select subscriptions, and then you can see your list of all your active subscriptions. You need to select Toomics app, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. So by using these three ways you can easily cancel your Toomics subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.